Hello, I'm Mrs. Lim, your math tutor. June holiday is over. Hope all of you had a good break. The last 2 lessons were on replacement method. In today's lesson, we will continue with this topic. First of all, you might find this question a bit confusing, as there are more steps required in order to find the answer. So just pay attention and listen first. If you don't get it the first time, just watch it again. Trust me, this method is important to learn. Let's begin with this question. You can go ahead and read through the question. Alright, let's begin with this question. Lisa had 4 times as much money as Joshua. If we want to draw a model to show this relationship, we first draw 1 unit for Joshua. Then how many units should we draw for Lisa? 4 units, correct? Then after the mother gave each of them an equal amount of money. In this situation, I will use a triangle to represent the amount of money that both of them received from the mother. Please pay attention to this part. Most of you would usually put a triangle on the right hand side, correct? But I will usually do this way instead. I just found this way easier to study the models. Next, Lisa had thrice as much money as Joshua. This is the end result. Joshua had 1 part and Lisa had 3 parts. You noticed this is 1 unit and this is 1 part. Both are representing a different value. That's why I use a different name for each. This sentence tells us that Joshua had $42 in the end. So this part equals $42. And we need to find out how much money did Lisa have at first. After we have put down all the information here, now we can start the game. This is 3 parts. It has 1 triangle and 4 units. And this is 1 part consists of 1 triangle and 1 unit. When you compare both models, can you tell how many parts is this? 2 parts? Correct! So we can conclude that 3 units equals 2 parts. Since 1 part consists of 1 triangle and 1 unit, then how about 2 parts? It should consist of 2 triangles and 2 units, correct? Then you can compare these 2 models. It shouldn't be too difficult to tell that 1 unit equals 2 triangles. Can you see this? We have done the most difficult part. Now we can use the replacement method. We can either replace units with triangles or replace triangles with units. In this question, I think replace units with triangles makes more sense. So Lisa had 1 triangle and 4 units. I will replace the 4 units with 8 triangles. Now Lisa had 9 triangles. I will do the same for Joshua. Now you can see that Joshua now has 3 triangles. The amount of money that Joshua had is being represented by 3 triangles, since Joshua had $42 in the end. So we can assume that these 3 triangles equals $42. $42 divided by 3, then 1 triangle equals $14. The question is, how much money did Lisa have at first? Pay attention to the word at first. You know this amount is given by the mother, so we cannot include this triangle. The amount that Lisa had at first was 8 triangles. 8 times 14, Lisa had $112 at first. We are done with this question. Now it is your turn to do this question. Trust me, this question is less complex, and you are given 4 minutes to finish this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!